Welcome, in front of me I have Samsung Galaxy A51 and I will show you a fingerprint sensor test. We are going to make few tries and let's see how fast and how reliable is that scanner. And the smartphone can find scanner built into the display, and let's make few tries. You have to tap on your lock screen to show the fingerprint icon. You can also click power button and unlock from the lock screen. So as you can see, this sensor recognizes my fingerprint every time. It works fast and it's reliable for sure. So what can I say? This sensor works really good. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.